This Gotham Steel 14-inch non-stick frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. And it makes cooking easier. The pan's large size is perfect for families. And you can cook a lot of comida at once. It has a non-stick surface, so your food will slide right off. And cleanup is a breeze. This pan can handle big performances in your kitchen. The Gotham Steel 14-inch non-stick skillet boasts a durable construction. It features layers of non-stick coating. This helps prevent food from sticking. And it makes the pan easy to clean. You won't need a lot of oil, which is great for healthy cooking. The pan is also oven safe, so you can start your dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven. This adds to its capability and makes it a versatile tool. This large frying pan nonstick is also dishwasher safe, which is a big plus for easy cleanup. The cream navy color adds a nice touch to your cookware collection. While I don't have specific details about its honeycomb structure or event, the overall performance is solid. It's a reliable pan for everyday cooking, and it deserves a good rank in your kitchen inventory. Keep an eye out for any future update on its features. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick, family-sized, large pan, induction ready, oven safe, dishwasher safe, easy cooking, cream navy color, skillet style, versatile use. Cons: handle can get hot, large size hard to handle, paint may chip off edge, too big for some users. Uneven heat sometimes, can scratch easily, lighter color stains, not always durable. Features: 14-inch size, non-stick surface, family-sized, large capacity, induction ready, oven safe, dishwasher safe, cream navy color, easy to clean, durable. This Gotham Steel 14-inch frying pan is a big, family-sized pan with a non-stick surface, so food won't stick and it's easy to clean. It can be used on all kinds of stoves, even induction, and you can put it in the oven and dishwasher. It comes in a cream navy color and is made to last. This large cream navy Gotham Steel 14-inch non-stick frying pan is designed for families and offers easy cooking with its non-stick surface and induction-ready base. It's oven and dishwasher safe, and its skillet style makes it versatile for various meals. However, the large size can be hard to handle and may not fit in all spaces. The light color can stain, and the paint might chip. Also, the handle can get hot. Heat distribution may sometimes be uneven, and the surface could scratch easily, suggesting it may not always be very durable.